These pants are really loose. So.
All right. Bottom leg straight. All right, good. So I'm gonna put this on here. So this is L5 PRS-M for keeping score.